All right, folks, this is Vishal from Equity Guru, and welcome to Chart Attack, where we cover some of the best technical setups out in the market. And I want to say here, folks, that it looks very positive for Ethereum and a few other cryptos, but mostly Ethereum. We'll look at Bitcoin in just a bit. But just a quick recall, we talked about this double bottom over the summer. We got that breakout, and that was our trigger. And our followers and readers on Equity Guru, we're quite happy about this big move, and we hit highs of 4,000. We didn't take out previous highs, but maybe that's in the cards now. As you guys can see here, there's a big support zone here at 3,200. We actually broke below it, and then from then, just basically almost 2 weeks, a week and a half of trading, we just ranged between 3,200 and 2750, let's call it. And we were just waiting for a break, right, in either direction. That was going to give us our indicator. Are we going to close back above, what was support now turned resistance? And if that happened, that would open the way for a move higher, possibly back to 4,000, maybe even eclipsing 4,200. Or were we going to close below 2750, which would take us for a further pullback and retest the zone here around 2,400? I gotta say, this close here is quite exciting, and of course, we still gotta wait for the daily candle to close because, of course, these cryptos are traded 24 hours. But so far, if we get a close like that, that is quite strong. I'll show you guys the 4 hours so you can actually see the pattern and how this area was resistance and how we broke above it. We actually did pull back to retest, and buyers have stepped in. So very important close on Ethereum. That sets up for a move higher up to 3,600 and possibly to 4,000, and then back to previous record highs. So let's wait to confirm how this close looks like, and so far looking good. Bitcoin, it gets a bit different. I had that trend line that you guys saw, which did break, but I prefer support and resistance levels. And we've been talking about this zone here, right, around 48K. Some people would actually even draw this a bit higher, up to 50K, because obviously 50K is a very important psychological number. And, if we are applying my area here around 48K, we haven't closed above it just yet. We're actually just pulled back to retest it as, resistance, and we could still sell off, right? We could still sell off here on Bitcoin. So we just got to wait and see, be patient. Unlike, this close that looks good so far for Ethereum, but possibly, folks, if Bitcoin sells off and a lot of cryptos move due to Bitcoin, then maybe Ethereum gives up these gains and closes back below 3,200, right? I'm not saying that's going to happen, just saying be prepared. That could be what happens. But if Ethereum has that close, does Bitcoin close back above 48K and turn back bullish? We'll have to just wait and see. But, Ethereum's the one I want to focus on. That looks really good here, obviously, with things such as NFTs and decentralized finance tokens. I think with those two things getting very popular, it's seeing money run into Ethereum because you require ETH to trade that ecosystem. And possibly from that, right, Ethereum might sort of diverge from Bitcoin and do its own price action. So are we seeing the beginnings of that? We'll have to wait and see. But what I can tell you is I know a lot of crypto traders are branching out to NFTs and DeFi. In fact, you guys probably saw this headline, which should still be trending news, about this decentralized finance bug accidentally giving $90 million to users. And we're talking about Compound. So, DeFi is, I guess, back in the headlines, maybe not in the best of ways. But money is running to DeFi. Money is running to NFTs. And I think that could cause Ethereum to diverge because you need that token to buy. So that's going to be it for me, folks. Let me know. Are you guys bullish on Ethereum here? Do you think we get this break above 3,200 confirmed by the end of the day? And does that take us back to 3,600 and 4,000? Or are we going to just see Bitcoin fall? And if Bitcoin falls, does this count as a fake out? Maybe we sell off again on Ethereum and we close back below 2,800 and we hit 2,400. I really want to know your guys' opinions. And if you are crypto bulls or crypto bears, in fact, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to follow us on all our Equity Guru social media, links in the description box below. And if there's any other cryptocurrency specifically that you want me to cover, let me know in the comments below, and we'll be sure to cover it in the next chart attack. That's it for me, folks. I'll see you in the next one.